Greetings, class. The purpose of this assignment is to provide you with a brief overview of your first assignment. Your first assignment is your professional growth plan. The content across Module 1 will be valuable as you complete your plan. Your plan will be in the form of a matrix. This is not a typed paper. Again, you will use the matrix to complete this assignment. When we look at the matrix, the components on the matrix will mirror what is on the rubric. There is a rubric for this assignment in Brightspace. Across this plan, you will be asked to consider what is guiding you in the development of your population health practice. Next, you will be asked to describe your current role and what you see as the expanded role in population health. Next, you will be asked to look at specific competencies based on the American Organization of Nurse Leaders. You will be encouraged to do that self-analysis to determine what areas you want to nurture and grow. Utilize again the documents that are embedded in Module 1 to do your self-analysis. What are your strengths? Where are your opportunities for growth? Next, you will design your goals and objectives. This is a baseline or starting point for you. Your goals and objectives will continue to, of course, evolve. I would encourage you to include your references and to cite accordingly in the text utilizing APA. Please do take some time again to review the rubric for this assignment. The purpose is to create something meaningful to you and where you want to grow in terms of the AONL competencies and the code of ethics. Again, you will complete this assignment utilizing this matrix, and the elements on the left or in the first column are those components that I briefly spoke about. Here, the AONL competencies, again, you will be asked to identify your strengths and your opportunities for growth. At the end of this matrix, you will be asked to complete a reflection and to answer several questions. You can cite your references at the bottom of the last page. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you.